Welcome to Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we will discuss about important MCQs on Engineering Mechanics Unit 1. First MCQ. The unit of force in SI unit is A kilogram, B Newton, C watt, D dyne. The correct option is B Newton. Second MCQ. Force are called concurrent when their lines of action meet in A 1 point, B 2 point, C plane or D perpendicular. The correct option is 1 point. A. Third MCQ. Forces are called coplanar when all of them acting on body lie in A 1 point, B 1 plane, C different plane, D perpendicular planes, and the correct option is B 1 plane. Fourth MCQ. A force acting on a body may option A introduce internal stress, B related in motion, change in motion, or D all of above. The correct option is D all of above. Fifth MCQ. Which is the correct statement about law of polygon of forces? A. If any number of forces acting at any point can be represented by the sides of a polygon taken in order taken, the forces are in equilibrium. B. If any number of forces acting at a point can be represented in direction of magnitude by the sides of polygon, then the forces are in equilibrium. C. If polygon represent force acting at a point is closed, then the forces are in equilibrium. D. If any number of forces acting on a point can be represented in the direction of magnitude by the side of polygon taken in order, then the forces are in equilibrium, and the correct option is B. Sixth MCQ. Effect of force on a body depends upon A. Magnitude, B. Direction, C. Position of line of action, D. All of above, and the correct option is D. All of above. Seventh. If a number of forces act simultaneously on a particle, it is possible. Options are A. Not a replace them by a single force, B. To replace them by a single force, C. To replace them by a single force through CG, D. To replace them by a couple, and the correct option is B. To replace them by a single force. 8th MCQ. The algebraic sum of the resolved parts of number of forces in a given direction is equal to resolved part of their resultant in the same direction. This is as per the principle of force, resolution of force, dependence of force, balance of force, and the correct option is B. Resolutions of force. Ninth. Which of the following is not the unit of distance? A. Angstrom, B. Millistrom, C. Micron, D. Millimeter, and the correct option is C. Micron. 10th. The force which meet on one point but their lines of action do not lie in a plane are called A. Coplanar non-concurrent force, B. Non-coplanar concurrent forces, C. Non-coplanar non-concurrent forces, D. Intersecting forces, and the correct option is B. 11th. According to the principle of transmissibility of forces, the effect of a force upon a body is A. Maximum when the act at center of gravity of body, B. Different at different point of its line of action, C. The same at every point in the line of action, D. Minimum when it acts on the CG of the body, and the correct option is C. 12th MCQ. If a rigid body in is in equilibrium under the action of three forces, then A. These forces are equal. B. The line of action of these forces meet in a point. C. The line of action of these forces are in parallel. D. B or C above. The correct option is D. 13. In which of the following beams the supports are not situated at the ends? A. Cantilever beam, B. Overhanging beam, C. Simply supported beam, D. Fixed beam, and the correct option is A. Cantilever beam. 14. A simple support offers only reaction Berman to the axis of beam, A. Horizontal, B. Vertical, C. Inclined, D. Movement, and the correct option is B. Vertical. 15. Support develop support movement. Option A. Hind, B. Simple, C. Fixed, D. Joint, and the correct option is C. Fixed. 16. For a simply supported beam, the moment at the support is always A. Maximum, B. 0, C. Minimum, D. Cannot be determined. Correct option is B. 0. Hind support offers resistance against rotation. A. True, B. False, and the correct option is B. 18th MCQ. Roller support is same as A. Hind support, B. Fixed support, C. Simply support, D. Roller support. And the correct option is C. Simply support. 19. Hind support offers vertical and bracket reaction. A. Horizontal, B. Movement, C. Rotation, D. Couple. And the correct option is horizontal. 20. A beam which extended beyond its support can be termed as overhang beam, B. Overspan beam, D. Isolated beam, D. T-beam. Correct option is A. Overhang beam. 21. The force which meet at one point and have their lines of action in different planes are called as A. Coplanar non-coplanar concurrent force, B. Non-coplanar concurrent force, C. Non-coplanar non-concurrent force, D. None of above. And the correct option is B. Non-coplanar concurrent forces. 22. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting an angle theta is A. P2 plus Q2 plus 2P sin theta, B. P2 plus Q2 plus 2PQ cos theta, C. P2 plus Q2 plus 2PQ tan theta, D. Under root of P2 plus Q2 plus 2PQ cos theta. And the correct option is D. 23. The tension in a cable supporting a lift, option A, is more when the lift is moving downwards. Option B is less when the lift is moving upward. Option C remain constant whether it's move downward or upward. Option D it less is less when the lift is moving downward. And the correct option is D is less when the lift is moving downward. 24. Which of the following statement is correct? A. A force is an agent which produces or tend to produce motion. B. A force is an agent which stop or tend to stop motion. C. A force is balance a given number of force acting on a body. D. Both A and B. And the correct option is D. 25th. The force which meets at one point of and their line of action also lies in the same plane are known as A. Coplanar concurrent force, B. Coplanar non-concurrent force, C. Non-coplanar concurrent force, D. Non-coplanar non-concurrent force. And the correct option is A. Coplanar concurrent force. 26. A couple consists of A. Two like parallel forces of same magnitude, B. Two like parallel forces of different magnitude, C. Two unlike parallel forces of same magnitude, D. Two unlike parallel forces of different magnitude. And the correct option is C. Two unlike parallel forces of same magnitude. 27. A couple produce A. Transition motion, B. Rotational motion, C. Combined transition and rotation motion, D. None of above. And the correct option is D. None of above. 28. Moment of force about any point is equal to the algebraic sum of moment of its component about the same point. The above statement is called D'Alembert principle, Vagon's moment theorem, Newton's first law of motion, D. None of above. And the correct option is B. Vagon's of moment theorem. 29. The SI unit of moment is A. Newton per meter square, B. Kilonewton per meter square, C. Newton per meter, or D. None of above. And the correct option is C. Newton per meter. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.